If you like free money and airdrops and you are a fan of Atom and the Cosmos ecosystem, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Atom and the entire ecosystem, and I'm currently staking some Atom in order to qualify for some amazing airdrops. So in today's video, I'll be sharing one of my favorite sources, one of my favorite websites that pretty much shows you every single airdrop that you can get from the Atom ecosystem. It is super easy. I know it is very difficult to follow and track these airdrops, and it can get very, very time consuming. There's literally an airdrop happening every single day. And if you are staking Atom, Juno, Secret Network, or Osmosis, there's so many airdrops out there that it is almost impossible to keep track of. In today's video, I will be sharing one of my sources, one of the websites that I personally use in order to find new airdrops and in order to claim the free money. This website is pretty much for the entire Cosmos Atom ecosystem. So if you are staking Atom in order to qualify for these airdrops so you can get some free money, make sure to check this website out. Personally, I have like 20, 30 different tabs open on my laptop every single day, and this website is one of them. Every other day I go on it, I check to see if there's any airdrops that I can claim. Now let me show you this amazing website. So the website is called AIRDROPS.one. I'll have a link for it in the description box below for easy access. But as you can see, there are 15 airdrops that you can claim right now. Also 24 airdrops that are coming soon and 6 that have expired. But this website is super simple. As you can see, it will show you the coin that you can claim. Also the symbol and what the coin is. Also the snapshot date. This is the date where you would have had to have your Atom staked in order to qualify for this free money for these airdrops. And they will have the claim date and who qualifies. They will also have the airdrop size and when you can claim it. For example, Raw. I have already claimed this one and got my free tokens. As you can see, they have a ton of different tokens that you can claim now and a lot of them that are coming soon. And now let me show you how this works. We have already claimed Raw, so we're going to go to the next one in line that we can claim right now, and that is Asset Mantle. So you're simply going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you all the important information. For example, expiration date, airdrop size, when you can claim it, and the snapshot dates. And then right here, all you have to do is click on this website, check if you qualify. If you do, click on the other link and claim your tokens. Super simple and easy. There will also be a ton of other information on this page as well. So make sure you read through everything, check it, learn more about the project, learn more how to claim the tokens and all of that important information. Airdrops are an amazing way to get some free tokens. Some of these airdrops are worth a couple dollars. Others can be worth a couple hundred and even a couple $1,000. Personally, all the airdrops that I'm getting, if I can stake them, I'm staking them. If not, I'm simply keeping them for the long term. And if we are in a bear market right now, I want to get as many free airdrops as I possibly can. You never know, some of these projects can become very successful and they can 10x, 50x, possibly even 1,000x. And the free tokens that you get might be worth a ton of money in the future. But being realistic, a lot of the projects are going to fail or they're not going to be worth much. But you only need that one to make you life-changing money. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. I will have the link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out, bookmark it, save it, check it every week or every couple days to see if you qualify for any more airdrops in the Atom ecosystem. And as always guys, if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with other people that are in the Atom ecosystem, as well. And see you in the next video. Peace out.